every day when I think about my life. I cry every night when I think about my life. I get mad anytime when I think about my past. I get mad anytime when I think about my past. My life wasn't easy, still now it's not easy. I get mad anytime, I get stressed most times. I don't know what to do. I'm proud of myself for how been I'm patient. It's been a while, I'm trying. Success to take time. Please God free my mind, I'm tired of crying. I went through a lot. If I'm done something wrong, please show me the way. My life is fucked up, hey. Lord, show me the way. Please, Lord, show me the way. If I don't show it, you better take my life. If I don't show it, you better take my life. I cry every day when I think about my life. I cry every night when I think about my life. I get mad anytime when I think about my past. I get mad anytime when I think about my past. There was a time I was alone, they're running away from me. I was stuck in my life, feeling not easy for me. I was stuck by my friend, wishing to take my life. I proceed with my life, it was hard for me. I thank God for my life, cause I'm still alive. If I did something wrong, don't be afraid of me. I just living my life, don't be afraid of me. Don't be afraid of me. Ay, 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 ay. I'm tired of this life. I'm tired of this life. You better take it. I cry every day when I think about my life. I cry every night when I think about my life. I get mad anytime when I think about my past. I get mad anytime when I think about my